All right, so here are a couple examples of the law of sines. The cool thing about the law of sines is you can use it to find missing sides or missing angles. And we could do the same exact proportions that we've used before. So if it says find the measure of angle A, we need to find this angle, obviously. All right. But I like to label which sides go with which. So angle A opens up the side A, angle B opens up the side B, angle C opens up the side C. All right, so the proportion I need to set up here would be, I have B, right? So angle B, and I have side B. So I'm going to write sine of 121 over 34. Okay, and the instructions tell me to find angle A, so I'm going to use sine of A. And I know the missing side is 21. All right, Mr. Schwann's going to change all of our trig functions into decimals. So sine of 121 is 0.8572 over 34. Sine of A, we don't know yet, over 21. Then we would cross multiply. So 0.872 times 21 is 18.0012 equals 34 sine A. All right, now that I'm here, obviously I can't compute sine A with that 34 in front, so I need to divide by 34. That's going to give me 0.5294 equals sine of A. Now, hopefully at this point you're recognizing, well, to find A, I would need to do inverse sine. So that's what I'm going to do here. So inverse sine 0.5294. And that's going to give me a degree of 31.9, which I would round up to the nearest whole, which would be 32 degrees. So that's how I'd find the missing angle. So the same exact law of sines, but this time you're just using, you have the given side, you just need to find the missing angle. But then, of course, when you do the trig functions, you do inverse sine to find missing angles. All right, so now that we did number 7, so quickly let's go ahead and do number 8. All right, so let's label. Angle C opens up the side C, and I can already see I'm going to use that for my first proportion or my first ratio. Angle A opens up the side A, angle B opens down to side B here. All right, so I'm going to do sine of angle C, which is 91, over 28. And then the ultimate goal is to find angle B, so I'm going to do sine of B over 14. All right, now, Mr. Schwann, again, will usually change the trig functions straight in the decimals, but he has a calculator that he's able to multiply the trig functions with numbers, so I'm just going to type in sine of 91 times 14. That's going to give him 13.9979 equals 28 sine of B. And now we divide by 28. 13.9979 divided by 28. And that gives him 0.4999 equals sine of B. And then at this point we need to do inverse. Because again, I'm solving for angles, which gives me 29.9, which of course would round to about 30 degrees. All right? So that is how you use the law of sines when solving for angles.